Hi friends, today's market is completely the downside and took the support around 18,050. But I cannot say it is a good support at this moment. We have to wait until some U-turn has to take. But at this moment, 18,050, 18,000 can be taken as a simple support, but not exactly the same support. Bank Nifty is performing good as compared to the Nifty. The Bank Nifty is doing good. That is the reason at least we are trying to hold the level above 18,000. Still it is not the location where you can go for the long, so we have to wait for some time. Okay, it may take time, but at this moment 18,050, as per our chart setup, simply 18,050 is a good support. Still we have to wait. There is a good support at 17,936 or 900 level. Why? Because weekly we are finding the downside maybe ended around 17,900 level, 940, 950 level. Okay, still we can wait for some time before going to the long, or else immediately if you want to take long, you have to maintain the stop loss below 17,800 or 17,900. Still there is a good chance if it is finding the support around at this level, but we have to wait until some green candle has been formed. Okay, if there is a green candle around this level, then we can find good support and we can find up level. But still we can go for the long at this level. The Bank Nifty is doing good. At this moment the Bank Nifty is doing good. The Bank Nifty is part simply in the last streaming also I said simply there is a good chance to reach up to 40,000 level. Okay, ultimate target is 40,350 to 40,400 level. That is a good level where we can go for the positional short on Bank Nifty. Okay, still there is a good chance to find 40,000, above 40,000 by the end of this trading session. Okay, still the Bank Nifty is doing good. The Nifty also recovered. It also recovered from its lows. Okay. It has made a low of 18,050. And the Bank Nifty is doing good. At this moment Bank Nifty is performing good. Look at Tata Motors. Tata Motors also upside. It is showing upside. When I go for the Tata Motors, it is showing upside. Again there is a good chance to reach up to the level of 516. That is a good level. Simply 530. You can find it in coming days. It's showing good upside at this moment. The Nifty recovered from its lows. What it recovered from its lows, it took the support at 18,050 level. Okay, then the hourly it has reached the first resistance at 18,183. The second resistance will be 18,222. Okay, if those resistances have been taken out, then you can find a good chance up to 18,273 level at this moment as for the chart setup. Okay, still the daily it is showing downside. Okay, there will be some short covering tomorrow. If there is a short covering, okay, then you can find the levels up to 18,272. Okay, but still we have to wait for the longs to be built. But most of the scripts corrected, even Reliance corrected, and the bank nifty is showing a good sign upside, and the nifty is downside. And as for the chart setup, simply if it is 18,000, above 18,100, there is a good chance. If tomorrow, if it is opened around 18,100 level, exactly 100 level, then we can find upside. Otherwise, if it is opened higher due to the US market or global cues, then the selling pressure will be there. So we can maintain the short positions. Can maintain the short positions at this moment. Okay, after okay, hourly downside and 5 hours also, simply it is showing downside only. To look at the Reliance Industries. When I go for the Reliance Industries, so the good support, daily good support is at 25.97. If it is able to hold that level 25.97, in coming days you can find good upside. If that level is taken out, then we can find the level up to 24.20 level at this moment. Okay, the big red bar, then you can find the short pullback. Okay, there may be a chance of finding the pullback up to 26.46 or 26.74. Then why? Because the total weekly it is upside, and now it has completed its upside, and it has gone for the short covering. So finally 25.35 or 20. Okay, monthly it is showing upside. Okay, we have to wait up to the next trading session. Okay, it is not so good at this moment. It has started its down move, I think. Okay, any pullback rally, the shorting opportunity. Okay, if any pullback, okay, simply you can go for the intraday shorting opportunity, no problem at all. And At this moment, the Tata Motors is showing a good upside. And then look at the Nifty spot. In case of Nifty spot, anyway, the Nifty has faced the resistance and it is trading around 18,140 level at this moment. A long side limited scope for 1 or 2 days. If it is taking the base, it is taking the support around 18,050 or 17,950 zone. If that is the zone, if it is unable to break that zone, then you can find upside. Okay, otherwise there is no chance for the upside. If that level is taken out, then the big correction you can find it in the market, but not immediately. Okay, the tomorrow also simply the downside is expected. Weekly it is showing up to 17,950 zone. That is a good zone where you can look for the longs. But the weekly also, it has shown that it's a down moment, down leg. Okay, all the technical indicators started moving downwards. That is the reason we have to think about upside at this moment. The upside is limited. Anyway, from the last 6 months, we are finding the completely upside. Look at Tech Mahindra. It took the support around 1477. The resistance is at 1576. Tomorrow, if it is not breaking the level 1477 at 76, then there is a good chance to move up. The weekly it is showing up and monthly also showing up. Okay, at this moment the market is not in favor of bulls or not in favor of bear, and it is going to be sideways in coming days, completely sideways. Nifty is going to be in sideways. Okay, you can find sideways only. So be careful at this moment. The individual scripts or whatever you are trying to select it, be careful. And Okay, before going to the long, we have to find the base to be built. Okay, once the base is built, then only can find upside. Anyway, this is the small correction. Okay, daily the total reversal happened, but still, if 18,050 is acting as a base, okay, then the range is in between 18,000 to the 18,600, the 600 points. But we can find upside if it is above 18,206. If it is 18,000 above 18,200 level, then we can find upside. Otherwise, the range is in between 18,200 to 17,950 at this moment. Okay, look at Mindtree. There will be good chance to find the support at 4276. The longs can be initiated around 4276. And tomorrow also, if it is showing downside, then there is a good chance to find the base at 4276 to 4108. You can make some long positions at this level, 4276 level or 4280 level. So that is a good support zone for the Mindtree. But anyway, the next week is monthly expiry, and there will be time decay in options. Be careful. The values of options will be reduced drastically. Of course, India VIX is showing upside. It is showing upside. Still, simply look at the volatility index. It is showing upside. And monthly also, if it is if once it breaks the 19.415, then there will be big correction in the market. At this moment, the India VIX is facing the resistance around 19.4. If that is taken out, then there will be big correction in the market. There is a reason. Be careful before taking the long calls. Instead of going for the long calls, better you be short-sized. And look at the Bank Nifty, whatever the prediction we made it, that came true. The Bank Nifty is moving higher. I said today itself for 40,000, above 40,000 we can find it. Now we are finding above 40,000. It is Nifty, the Bank Nifty spot. Simply it has taken out the level 40,000 in the Bank Nifty. You can find it. Bank Nifty is going to be above 40,000. So the total prediction came true. The Bank Nifty, today itself, it is crossing the level 40,000. So what next after crossing the level 40,000? Okay, what will be the next move in the Bank Nifty? And today the Nifty survived due to the Bank Nifty. Completely Nifty got the pullback due to the Bank Nifty only. And with the Bank Nifty is around 40,000 at this moment, 40,000 and above 40,000, 40,045. It's good going, and as I expected, 40,000, 40,300 level. at 40,300 level, we can go for the short. The positional shorts can be taken around 40,300 level. Okay, monthly also it is showing good upside, and once the 40,300 has been reached, that is a good level to go for the short actually. At this moment 40,098, they have reached the level 40,100. Look at the Nifty part also. The exactly 18,040, the 18,048, it took the support around that level. And the Bank Nifty, our target is 40,300 level. It is showing a good upside, Bank Nifty. There is the hourly chart of the Nifty part, and the Nifty part there is a good chance to reach up to 18,223. And with the bank nifty, due to the bank nifty, there is a pullback in nifty today. We got to the bank nifty. They protected the nifty fall. Anyway, just SBI. Look at the State Bank of India. The State Bank of India, the good resistance is at around 507. If the 507 is taken out, then there will be good chance of reaching the level. The much more upside is not there in State Bank of India. In monthly also, almost it is in overbought zone. Once it is in overbought zone, at any moment of time there will be profit booking in State Bank of India also. Be careful. So at the maximum we can find up to 550, but not sure. But any moment of time we can find profit booking in State Bank of India. Monthly good upside, but there will be profit booking maybe this month or next month. But at the maximum we can expect up to 550 only, not more than that in SBI. And look at the HDFC Bank. When I look at HDFC Bank, simply the weekly little bit of profit booking. Okay, actually the daily it has taken the support around 1661. Then there is a good chance of reaching up to 1725 in coming days. The bank nifty will be in good position, and no problem for the bank nifty. Nifty also recovered, and it is trading above 18,200 zone. And Nifty spot. Look at this. Our hourly target is 18,223. Almost we are near to that level. Okay, certainly we can reach that level. If it is 18,190, above 190 tomorrow, then we can find the levels up to 18,274. In case of daily also, see the above 18,197. Okay, still there is a good chance of finding the support and reach higher levels up to 18,500 zone. But still we have to wait. Still the weakness, major weakness is not found in Nifty. Nifty spot. Okay. So look at hourly the Nifty. Okay, it can reach up to 18,223. And look at the bank Nifty. You can find bank Nifty. You can have bank Nifty. It is trading around 40,184 192 zone at this moment. There is a good chance of reaching up to 40,340 or 350 level. So once the Nifty is above 18,215 or 240, are above 18,200. The closing above 18,200 is good sign for the Nifty, but most of the scripts corrected a lot. The HDFC Bank is performing good. Look at Bajaj Finance at the last. It is hourly downside. Still, it has to find a good breakout above 7762. We can find a good upside. Okay, daily also it is struck in the range in between the 77002 to 7800. Anyway, have a good day. Just we'll see tomorrow. Thank you for watching our analysis.